Hey, this is Professor Homa. Welcome to EX4 for your CSE 230 W1 class, your online class. This is an example of what your first part of your EX4 is going to look like when you're finished, or similar. It won't look exact, but this is kind of the first part of what you're going to do. It's just raw HTML. There's no styling here, no CSS, nothing to make it look really fancy. It's just basic HTML, and that's what you're going to do first, and you're going to type it in your browser in bracket, or you're going to type it in your text editor brackets, and then once you're done, you're going to upload it and put it up on a server, and then I'll be able to look at it. And let me just look at the finished version here. This is that image that I worked with in Pixlr. There's a video of me cropping this in Pixlr. Remember, it was 840 by 200, so I saved it as ex4 header.jpg, and here it is in the page. And some of the other things on the page here, there's just an H1 tag, which is making this big and bold, which is just kind of your title here. This would be your name. Student Sample's my name that I've been using for the course, but that would be your name you would have there. And also, just as an idea, just to use some lists, this was just something I just threw out there. So you could even change this. You could make it your favorite movies or something. I don't care, but I just want you to do an ordered list to start, which is numbers are ordered lists. And notice that these are television shows. These are shows I watched over the past 2 years: Lost, Breaking Bad, Dexter, and Walking Dead. And these are also linked too. So you can also click on them. Now, I don't have it linked right now, but I'll show you how to do that. I actually have a dead link. So they look like links, but they're not working. If you click on them, they don't work because I didn't fill in the quotes with the actual link yet. But these will actually open up in a new tab or a new window when you click on these links to like a Wikipedia site or something like that for the series or for the movie or whatever you want to do. The next thing down here is some of my favorite things to do. I just put a couple, hobby kind of things. I put running, biking, learning technology, put 3 or 4 things here, whatever you could think of. Having a fire outside on a cool summer night, whatever. I just wanted to have an unordered list here, which is a bulleted list. Unordered, means it doesn't have to go in any particular order. It's just a random listing of things, where these are kind of my top 4 right here. So they used numbers, these did not use numbers. So this is ordered, unordered. At the bottom here, there's like a little kind of footer line that says copyright 2015. Notice there's a little symbol here, copyright symbol. We're going to need to throw in a little bit of code, so we do that because that's not just on your keyboard. And that's pretty much it. And then, like I said, we're going to use CSS to make this look nice and align differently and use different fonts and all that once we're done. But this is what you're going to do for your first exercise.